In this video,
we will learn how to take a screenshot on Fortnite. So taking a screenshot in Fortnite is extremely simple. In order to do that, all you need to do is make sure that we have certain settings right in Fortnite. To check it out, we'll press on our profile button from the top right hand side of our screen, then click on the gear button. From here under the display tab, make sure that you are using full screen and also you have your native resolution. After you have made sure that these settings are where they should be, go back to the scene that you want to take your screenshot. Now press Windows plus print screen together and our screenshot has been saved. Now in order to check out our screenshot, firstly we will minimize our Fortnite game. Now go into this PC, then our C drive, then user, then the name of our PC. Then we need to head into the pictures tab from here, then screenshots, and now in here as you can see the screenshot has been saved. So this is how you can easily screenshot in your Fortnite game and enjoy. Thank you for watching. Subscribe to our Topical Talks channel for more videos.